Hey guys, so here's our first video for equine radiology. The first thing you need to be able to do is open this box. Inside of it you will find our radiology machine. Here are two little levers that lift up and then they twist and the latches pop open. I know, you're all laughing at me because I'm teaching you how to open a box, but I've done it a few times. I know you guys are going to come to lab and ask me, how do I get the box open? Once the latches are open, lift up the lid, and inside of it, you will find our X-ray machine. In an upcoming video, I'll teach you guys all about this machine and how we use it. All right guys, next piece of equipment you guys are going to learn about is this tripod. When you guys get to it, it'll be folded up in this kind of position for you guys. Opens up just like a normal tripod. You can adjust the height of this a couple of ways. Our X-ray machine is actually going to get attached to the bottom of our tripod. So first thing you can do is you can raise and lower this beam. In order to do that, it's really important you flip this lever right here. Okay, it is locked, it has some pressure on it. Flip it until it's really loose. Once it's loose, then you can turn the crank and raise and lower this beam. If you do not release that lever first, you'll strip out all of the machinery on this beam and it will no longer hold up the heavy weight of our X-ray machine. Once you get it to the height you want, flip the little lever back over so it's locked in place. Another way you can adjust the height of this machine is on its legs. You can twist the legs and they telescope in and out. So you can adjust all those legs until you get it up to the proper height. The other important thing to know on our tripod is it always has to be level. We need our tripod to be level so our X-ray machine can be level so that we're taking a straight-on X-ray without any geometric distortions. The cool thing on your tripod is that it actually has a level for you on it. It's a bubble level. So a yellow circle, there's a little red ring and a little bubble. As soon as you get the bubble in the middle of the red ring, you're good to go. And that is the tripod.